Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to look at the Harbour Shopping Center. It's a very popular plaza, very successful plaza, and it's in the Harbour area. So we are going to go and look at the plaza now. So we're driving through the Harbour View neighborhood, and as you can see, it's a very large neighborhood, hundreds of homes, probably thousands. Very developed area, and the Harbour Shopping Center or Harbour Plaza is the only plaza in this area. It has a supermarket, it's built in a very populated area, and it has the food stores. So naturally it's going to do well. It follows the simple formula for a successful plaza. So we're heading there now, but we're just driving through the neighborhood so you can get an idea of how many homes are in this area. Okay, so that's the plaza straight ahead now. Okay, they're doing some construction. It looks like they're building a new gate, so we can't enter from that side. Okay, but we're going to enter from this side. So on this side of the plaza now you have the food stores, and of course straight ahead there's a KFC. So that's KFC is the #1 fast food restaurant in Jamaica. You also have a tasty patty store over here, and you have a Pizza Hut. So they have some very popular restaurants. They're actually in the process of renovating the plaza. So on the left is the Tasty Patties, and further up on the left is the Pizza Hut. Now on the other side of the plaza you have the supermarket, which is our Shoppers Fair. And Shoppers Fair is the largest, they have the most stores, so most supermarkets in the island. Hoping they'll fix this road before when they're during the process of renovating the plaza, because this road is terrible. Alright, so on the left is another gate that's being built to the plaza. Alright, so we're going into the other side of the plaza now. This is where they have the supermarket, the Shoppers Fair. There it is on the left. And you can see, now to get to the other part of the plaza where they have the food stores, you just walk through. You can literally walk through. You don't have to go back out on the main road. So on the right is one of the entrances where you can just walk over to the other side. There used to be an NCB bank down here, but it closed down. A lot of the banks like NCB and BNS, they're closing a lot of branches. Okay, so this is the gate that they're one of the gates that they're working on, or one of the gates that's on the construction. So on the other side of these stores is the KFC and the Tasty and the food stores. Okay, so straight ahead is a gate that they're blocked off because they're working on it. And then on this side now you have a lot of other stores on the left. So as we were driving through at the beginning, you saw the amount of homes, the number of homes. So this plaza serves that entire community. There is not another plaza of this size in Harbourview. So it's built in a very populated area. It has the food stores, KFC, Tasty and Pizza Hut, and it has the supermarket. So it has everything you need for a successful plaza. Not sure where they have a mini Shoppers Fair supermarket sign up. I'm wondering if they're going to in the Haney Park, they had moved the Shoppers Fair to another store, a smaller store, while they rebuilt the supermarket, while they renovated the supermarket. So perhaps they're going to do that here. I'm not sure, but that's probably why they have that sign. Now on the left, the plaza is being renovated, so a lot of the stores are empty. But before the renovation, every store on the left was being used. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.